it's Gina with WTI. My favorite thing about these fenshine tea filters is how easy they are to use. So I love to drink tea, and my husband makes me tea almost every morning, and I have a ton of loose leaf tea. Now, I don't want him to have to bother with measuring things out and getting a filter to put into my cup or into the teapot. And that's why I started using these tea filters. It's so easy for me to pre-measure a couple teaspoons into the bag and have it ready for him just to grab and brew my tea. Now, these are made from 100% cotton, which means that I can just put them straight into my food scrap bin, which I really like. It's so convenient to have them just lined up inside my little tea box, so I can grab it or my husband can grab it at any time and just make my tea right then. These have a drawstring at the top, which I have used to just tie it off, but sometimes I just get lazy and just pull it tight, put it into the mug, and I haven't had any tea get loose and float around my cup. So I think you can use it either way. These are so convenient and easy to use. I really love having them, and that's my point of view.